Welcome viewers, in this video I will show you how to connect your mobile and PC or a computer to access WhatsApp on your laptop or a PC. First of all, open a browser on a laptop and write web.whatsapp.com. This is the official website of WhatsApp, and you will see a barcode in front of you, and here is the option: open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the tab menu setting, and we have to follow these instructions. Actually, now let's come to the screen of a mobile. Open WhatsApp. Here on the right corner, here is the option. Click on this option. Here you can see WhatsApp web. Click on this option and scan this barcode, and this way you will connect, or you will be able to connect your mobile phone and PC. So you can use your WhatsApp on the laptop or a PC. You can chat with your friends and receive data or send data the way you can use on a mobile phone. So this was a short clip to show you how to connect WhatsApp. So friends, if you learned something valuable in this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comment in the comment section as a feedback.